Hi everyone, I want to show you my Serene Drain square shower drain. These drains are beautiful. They have a large selection of designs, sizes and colours, brushed, polished, black, gold and even white. All of the drains are made from 304 stainless steel, so they are very durable and will not corrode. Each drain comes with a hook to lift the grate, with a rubber fitting for installation, stainless steel hair trap and installation instructions. You can easily remove the grate. There is also a slope inside ensuring perfect drainage of the water. The drain comes with a stainless steel hair trap that catches the hair and debris that goes into the drain. You simply take it out, clean it and put it back in. Super easy. To sum up, great product, beautiful designs and finishes, high quality stainless steel and easy to install. I highly recommend it.